Okay, so Galaxy Notes, over 1,700 sold. I told you. I'm telling you for the last 3 days. Today is day number 3. Let's see how many tokens I earned today. Okay, and I'll explain you how to get the note and what do you need to know about the note. It's going to take only a couple of minutes. If you want full detailed video, watch the video 2 days ago, my first video. I'm going into depth. Okay, now this is Galaxy Engine. Okay, they have NFTs, they have Mike Tyson NFT. All right, let's go right here. They have freaking Mike Tyson NFT collection. They have NBA Steve Aoki, and they have NBA and so many more. Okay, now they are existing for the last 3 years. Okay, they have a lot of big ecosystem, a lot of things in the roadmap. So now they're coming with their own token, but to get the token they selling notes. Now the token is not out yet. So how it's working is you need to use Polygon chain and you need USDT. The note costs 777 bucks. Okay, now make sure you have some Matic there for the fees. Now for the first 10,000 it's only 700 bucks. Now after that, after 10,000 will be 999. Okay, after that I think 10 bucks for every 200 sold. Now I am preaching now because what's happening is every single day they have 1.6 million tokens they're going to be given to all node holders. So more nodes are sold, less you get. Watch the video from yesterday and I compare with the 2 other projects who I've been involved before with the similar tokenomics with nodes. Okay, totally different projects now, and you will see how many weeks I laid for like 3.5 weeks, and I was earning only 100 tokens a day. Okay, let's see how many tokens I earn. Now you need to understand, to get the note you must use somebody referral link. Feel free to use my referral link because I'm giving away 3 times 50 bucks for the lucky winners. 1st of February, I'm going to do lucky wheel for everybody who use my code, and I'm going to send you 50 bucks each. Maybe I will do a little bit more. Now, maybe 3, 4, maybe 5 people. We will see. It depends how many I have. If you have like 3 people, I'll just send to 3. Now, use the code to get the note. Oh, that's pretty cool. Now, next thing you need to understand, nothing here is financial advice. Do your own research. Please understand, this is crypto. You can lose everything. This video is for education and entertainment purposes only. The next thing I want to explain is, again, it's on Polygon chain. You need USDT. Make sure you have some Matic in your wallet for the fees. And also, when you buy the note, you don't need to do anything. The easiest way is you buy the note and you leave it. Every day you have token distribution. You cannot claim the token. You cannot sell them. The token is not out yet. So you don't need to anything special servers, any special computers. No, nothing. This is the simplest way ever. Okay, so you run the note when you buy and just hold it. That's all. Every day you get tokens. Okay, 1.6 million tokens they're going to be given everywhere. Okay, and now they have current bonus pool. Okay, I'm not sure when they're going to give this one. Is 1.2 million tokens. I'm not sure how this is working, but I'm going to try to find out for tomorrow video. Now that's how it's working the note. So I told you how to buy, use the code. You don't need to do anything. Simple. Let's see how many tokens I get and I'll get out of here. Okay, so this is the video from yesterday. Yesterday they were sold 1,167. Today 1,700. That's a lot for a day. Okay, I earned yesterday 4,670. Okay, let's say 4,600. Okay, let's see how much I earned today. Okay, I have 2 notes. So the first day I earned, let's go. Okay, so let's log in now. Let me just do this one. And I think there we go. Perfect. Okay, so I earned 6,600. So yesterday was 4,600 and something. Today 6,600. So first day I earned 1,800. Yesterday I earned 1,400 for 1 node because I have 2 nodes. Okay, don't forget that. I team up with some team. I got 1 node by myself and I didn't have the money to buy second one, so I just team up with some people and we got 1 node together. Okay, you can also do that. Again, make sure you trust the guy or whoever it is the other side. Now today I got, the difference is 2,000 tokens for 2 nodes, which means I got 1,000 tokens. Now first day 1,800. You see how it's dropping. 1,400 yesterday, today is 1,000. Why? Because this number is increasing. Okay, if this stay around 2,000, engines sold, good, we're going to get a lot of tokens. But tomorrow this will be over 2,000. Don't be surprised. After, so usually the first 1-2 weeks is always selling more, then it have some standby around 3,000-4,000, and then going up again 6,000-7,000, and before launch everybody start buying the note. But then it's a little bit late. Why? Because I will already have notes. I will already have a lot of tokens by the time it's coming. When it's coming, nobody know. I believe in the next couple of months. You must be patient. Now, what will be the price? Nobody know. I'm assuming will be around 3 cents the starting price. Make sure you watch the video from yesterday, how high can go. My personal opinion, because I compare with the 2 previous projects, and they did, one of them did 14x and one of them did 9x. So if the price is around 2-3 cents, and if it did 10x, that's around 30 cents. Okay, so I already have 6,600. If you combine by 30 cents, that's 1,800 bucks already. I can do ROI my 2 notes and I can have free money. Okay, that's crazy. That's crazy. So that's how important it is to get on day number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10. Okay, when this is here 10,000, I think it's too late according to me. Again, if this will be for me holding for the long hold. So some of them I will try to ROI like ASAP, and then I'll stake some to have some APR, because the APR will be juicy the first couple of weeks, couple of months. Okay, that's about it. Tomorrow we're going to do update and to see what will be the number here. I reckon will be, it's not going to be 8,600, it will be probably 7,000 something. And the most important, make sure you use my code if you want to get the note and if you want to get free to be in the giveaway. Thank you, God bless, stay positive, and don't forget to watch the most important video in your life. It's called More You Give, More You Receive. I'm doing donation in India, Africa, and Asia, and Philippines, sorry. And the next video is coming probably tomorrow morning or Monday morning. All right, goodbye.